Wait, I open the sheet. Sorry, class. Maths grade 5. What are you typing there, Wafer? Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Oh, Waifeng is recording. Thank you, Waifeng. Okay, so yesterday we have started with the topic what is percentage. I have introduced the percent and also how to convert all the percentage into decimals and fraction, and then how to convert the fractions and decimals into the percentage again. Okay, today we're going to learn about the percentage of a quantity, but before that teacher want to review, means just want to touch a little bit about the yesterday's topic, which is converting fractions. Okay, any questions please ask me. Don't just keep quiet if you don't understand. Okay, so converting fractions. Okay, yesterday we learned about the converting fractions, decimals and percents. Okay, how many of you still remember, who still remember how to convert the decimals to percent and then percents to decimals and then decimals to fraction? Who still remember everything? Who still remember?
Me, teacher.
Still remember, okay, but I still need to touch a little bit about the converting topics, because based on this we're going to find the quantity of the percentage. Okay, how? Okay, teacher roughly explain what we have learned yesterday. Okay, the first thing, we are converting the decimals. Okay, if let's say the yesterday's last slides, the one teacher have posted in Edmodo, if you feel it's so difficult, maybe you can refer this slide. This one is more easier. I summarize everything in a few slides. Okay, so how to convert decimals to percentage, means I have taught how to convert yesterday, correct? Means you have to move. Okay, example is already given here. Decimal number is 0.123. Okay, if you want to convert the decimal to a percentage, what you need to do is you have to move 2 decimal places to your right, is a must. Understand or not? Okay, if you move 2 decimal places to your right, so your percentage will be 12.3, and you have to add a percent sign here. Understand? Understand or not? Please respond something. Grade 5
Understood,
students.
teacher.
Yes, can understand. Okay. So this is how you're going to convert the decimal to a percent. It's a different. But how you again converting a percent to the decimal? How? You have to move the decimal point 2 places to your left. Okay, just now I have explained, when you want to convert the decimal number to the percent, you have to move 2 decimal point to your right, or 2 decimal places to your right, and then vice versa. When you want to convert the percent to a decimal, okay, you have to move again 2 decimal places to your left. If you need, you have to put the 0 in front. Okay, let's say we are moving 2 decimal place to your left, 1. You are moving, you have to assume that there is a decimal after the 5 here. Every ending point, means every ending of a number here, you have to assume there is a point, decimal point there. So when you want to convert the decimal, when you want to move the decimal point to your left, you have to assume that you are bringing the decimal along with you. So you are moving the decimal to your left, 1, but teacher said 2 places to your left, correct? So you are moving one time and then one more time you have to move. There are no any number, means you have to add 0. So in front of the decimal also you have to add one more 0. So percent convert to the decimal, 5% becomes 0.05. Understand? I'm repeating the yesterday's lesson. Who still don't understand? Who still don't understand? Understand?
Understand, teacher.
Okay, good. So again, the fraction to decimal. Sorry, percentage to decimal, and then this one fraction to decimal. This one also teacher said when the question is given in fraction, when you want to move to the decimals, when you want to convert to the decimal, as I said earlier, 1 is the numerator, the 8 is the denominator. So you have to divide the numerator by the denominator. You can use your calculator as well, or else if you want to show your working or you want to do the working in somewhere else also can. 1 divide 8, not 8 divide 1. Please bear this in your mind. 1 divide 8. So when you use the calculator, 1 divide 8 is equals to 0.125. Okay, and then also 2 over 5 means 2 divide 5 is equals to 0.4, and same goes to here. 0.4 also we can assume that 4 over 10. We are moving one decimal place to the left. It's also 0.4. There are two fractions you can convert into the decimals. 2 over 5 you convert to the decimal, also you will get 0.4. 4 over 10 you converting to the decimal, also you will be getting 0.4. And same goes to here, the third fraction, 12 over 25. When you use the calculator to divide 12 divide 25, you will get 0.48. And then same goes to 48 over 100 also. Since 100 we have 20 here, so you have to move 2 decimal places to your left. Since 10 we only have 10, so we have to move 1 decimal place to your left. So both of these fractions, if you converting to the decimals, you should get 0.48. Understand? Understand or not, class? Understand or not? Hello.
Understand, teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
And then again, the percentage you are converting to the fractions. Okay, how? You cannot simply convert this fraction. I'm repeating the yesterday's lesson. Please, if you don't understand, let me know, because next week we're going to start a new topic. Okay, when you want to convert, when you are converting the percentage into the fraction, you cannot simply convert percentage into fraction, you have to follow the step by step. That means, okay, the example, okay, this one, just now teacher has explained that fractions to decimal. Let's say if the question asked convert the fraction to a percentage, we cannot simply convert the fraction to the percentage. You have to follow the steps. Okay, now I have converted the fraction into the decimals. If the question asked fraction to a percentage, means you have to convert these decimals again to the percentage, means you have to move 2 decimal places to your right. So if the percentage, you should get 12.5 percentage. That's why teacher said you cannot simply convert the fraction to the percentage. You have to show in decimals, then only you have to convert to the percentage. Same goes to here. You simply cannot convert the percentage to the fraction. First of all, the fraction first of all, the percentage, you have to convert to the decimals first, like what we did just now. Fraction, convert to decimal first, then only decimal convert to the percentage, and same goes to here. Percentage, convert to the decimal first. Now 18 percentage. Percentage, when you want to convert to decimal, as I said earlier, you have to move decimal point 2 places to your left, correct? So 18 percentage, you have to convert how? 1, 2. You have to move 2 decimal places to your left, mean 0.18. If you are converting it into the decimal, correct? But it's not the final answer, because you have to convert again into the fraction. How? Since this is your decimal, correct, 0.18, how to convert this decimal into fraction? We are moving 2 decimal place to your right. Okay, how many decimal places you have moved? 2. 2 means, of course, it's 100. So 18 over 100. Understand or not? Understand or not?
Yes,
Understand.
teacher.
Yes, and then please simplify if you can. Let's say if the question asks to write the fraction in simplest form, means please try to simplify if you can. Let's say your final answer is 18 over 100, but it's still not ending. Why? Because you still need to simplify. Means 18 you can what? You can divide with 2. Sorry. You can divide with 2. 100 also you can divide with 2. So your new fraction is 9 over 50. Understand? I have summarized the yesterday's lesson in these 4 slides. You can read again and again all these 4 slides. So you will get a clear picture of yesterday's lesson. Understand or not? Understand or not, class? Zunshan, when did you join
Yes,
the class? You never inform me also. What time you have joined in Zunshan? Zunshan. Oh my god, no response. Okay, so now today's topic. What is percent? Yes, it's a number of parts out of 100. 25 means 25 parts out of 100. It's a basic thing, correct? It's a 25 percentage of the pizza. Okay, now it's a simple thing. What we need to do is the triangle. Okay, before that I roughly explain this. Okay, 25 percentage of the pizza. Does 25 percentage is equals to 25? No, because they said it's a 100 pieces, but they're taking out only 25 percentage of the pizza. Doesn't mean they are taking out 25 slices, sorry, 25 pieces of the pizza. It's a different things. Two things are different. 25 percentage is 25 slices out of 100 total. Understand or not? There are total 1 pizza, but pieces are 100. They are taking out 25 percentage, mean it's not 25 pizza, you know, it's a 25 slices of the 100 pieces. Understand or not? Try to understand what is the percentage. Okay. The most important thing you need to remember when you are solving the the percentage problems, you will be solving for one of these 3 parts. Okay, example, let's say 25 percentage of 200 is equals to 50. Please remember 25 is the percentage, 200 is the whole, and 50 is the part. How to calculate all these things? It's all in one triangle. Okay, I'm going to explain now. One way to solve this percentage problem is to use the percentage pyramid. This pyramid overall, it will explain the operation how to solve the problem. Okay, how? Please bear these pyramids in your mind. Please remember this, but also remember the sign where we need to put the part, where we need to put the whole, where we need to put the percentage. Percent and percentage is same actually. Okay, so what we need to do when the part is given, okay, few of the questions, okay, this is an example of questions. They are not fully given the whole, I mean they are not fully given this. This is an example. In your question, usually they will give the whole, they won't give the percentage. You have to find the percentage, or else they will give the percentage and also the whole number. You have to find the part, or else they will be giving the percent and also the part. You the one have to find the whole. How? That's why teacher said please remember this pyramid is very very important. Okay, when the part is given, okay, when the part given, percentage also given, but you don't know how to find the value of whole. Okay, okay, wait, I'll show you in a way. Wait, got any shaded or not? Okay, let's say for example only, sorry. Okay, let's say the whole is not given. The question is only given the part and also the percentage, correct? How to find the value of whole? Part, you have to divide with the percentage. Understand or not? You have to divide part with the percentage. Okay, let's say, sorry if I highlighted, means it will be confusing for you all. I'll type it out here. Okay, class. When you want to find the whole, okay, whole, you have, okay, let's, question is given part and also the percentage. You the one have to find the value of whole. Mean how? It's teacher already written here. Part, you have to divide with the percent. Correct? Correct or not? Let's say the person is already given, percentage is given, but either whole number or the part is not given. What we need to do? Usually when the percentage is given, whole also will be given. You the one have to find the value of, you the one have to find the value of part. Let's say the percentage, they are not given. Part is given, whole also given. You have to take the part, divide the whole. You just follow the pyramids. Let's say the part is not given, whole is given, percentage is given. So whole multiply the percent. Can understand or not? Who still don't understand?
Understand, teacher.
It's a simple word here. Don't have to follow that one. I write it this in a simple way. If you want to find the value of whole, you just remember these pyramids. If the whole is not given, these two things they must give. Don't worry, it will be given. Part will be given and percentage also will be given. If you want to find the value of whole, part, if you think the pyramids, you automatically know that part divide the percentage. Okay, let's say percentage is not given, but part is given, whole is given. So what we need to do? Part divide the whole. And then one more case, part is not given, but whole is given, percentage is given. What we need to do? Whole multiply the percentage. Understand or not? That's why teacher said remember this pyramid. Can you understand? Hello, class. Shaking head. What does mean by that?
Yes, teacher.
Can okay, so example I'm giving. Okay, so example 25% of 200 is 50. How? Teacher said percentage is 25, correct? The whole is the 200, the part is the 50. Okay. The example questions is here. 25% of 30. 30 is the whole, correct? 20% is the person. So you need to find the part. Very good. How to find the part? Just multiply, correct? Whole, you have to percentage or whole. Which one comes first is up to you. Whole multiply percentage or percentage multiply with the whole are the same. So how I converted 20% into 0.20? What I did? I'm converting this percentage into the decimals. It's easier for me to multiply with the 30. Correct or not? Correct or not? Because you simply cannot multiply 20 with the 300. Because, okay, why? If the whole is given, if you want to find the value of the part, please remember the answer of the part must be smaller than the whole. Whole must be bigger than part. Part must be smaller than whole. Understand or not? Must be smaller than whole. Okay. It's vice versa lah. You should know. If the part is smaller than whole means, of course, whole is more than part. So once you get the answer, please check whether the part is smaller than whole or not. Understand or not? Okay, then you cannot simply multiply this both. Okay, 20 multiply 30. Yes, automatically you should know that answer is 600. Is that possible? 600 is the part? Is that possible? Class?
Yes.
Hello, why possible? If the answer is 600? Teacher said, let's say this 20% I have multiplied with 30. If you directly multiply, the answer you should get is 600, right? Teacher said you have to check whether 600 is your part. But it's wrong actually. Why? Because part must be smaller than the whole one. So that's why teacher said you cannot multiply directly these both numbers. You have to convert this percentage into the decimal first, then only you have to multiply with 30 to get the value of part, because percentage is already given, whole number also is already given. The only thing you need to find out is the part. So 0.20 multiply with 30, you will get 6. Yes, this is the correct answer. Why? Because teacher said part must be smaller than the whole. Is this part smaller than this whole? Is this part smaller than whole?
Yes.
Yes, so this number is correct. Understand or not? If you want to double check the answer, please check whether your part, the answer you got is the part, whether the part is smaller than whole or not. Understand? Okay, never mind. I'll show you one more example. Okay, who can explain to teacher this one? I'm the one talking for 30 minutes. Who can explain this one to teacher? Class.
Okay,
Who
teacher.
can explain? Who can explain this to me? Just now all said can understand. If understand mean can explain to me.
Can I try?
Yes, yes, just try. Wrong.
0.25 times 300.
I know. Please explain the pyramid for me. What is 25%? Which one? What is 300?
0.25 is whole.
It's not the whole. Wrong.
300 is whole.
Okay, not whole. Whole. Okay.
0.25 is part.
Wrong.
Percent.
Oi, simply tin ton tia. Who else wants to try? Who else want to try? Just try. Class. Am I talking to myself? Who else want to try?
No, teacher, we're all thinking.
Okay, everybody is thinking. Okay, I give you 1 minute. Who want to try? Please. If not, I just call the name. Please look at the pyramid carefully. It's very simple. If 1 is given, 2 will be given. You have to find the 1. If the one more is not given, the rest 2 will be given. So you have to find the value of this. Same lah. If this one is not given, this both will be given. So you have to divide to get this. Just remember this pyramid. Who is typing or something here? Is my line is breaking here?
Oh,
Is my
teacher.
line is breaking?
Oh, it was breaking just now.
Little bit. Oh my god. Okay, how about now? Can you hear me? Okay. So
Teacher, can I try?
Yes. Faster lah.
0.25 is part.
Wrong.
300 is whole.
Part is wrong. 0.25 is not the part. Okay. Good try, Chayangi, actually. How about the rest? Daniel, do you want to try?
Yes.
Yes, you may try, please.
0.25 is percent.
Percentage, but how did you get in decimal?
You convert it to fractions and then fractions convert it to percentage.
No. If the percentage convert to decimals, you don't need any fraction. What? This is a percentage. You can directly convert to the decimals. Why you need the fraction in between that? Understand or not? Okay, wait, I'll show you.
Yes.
Yes, here. Percentage, you can directly convert to the decimal what? Correct?
Correct.
Okay, so
This is what's happening.
So-
Hi. What are you doing?
Daniel.
Yes.
Yes, continue lah.
300 is whole
Okay.
and 75 is part.
How did you get this part?
300 times 0.25.
Why?
Um,
Because of what? Because percentage is already given. The whole
Yes.
number also is already given. So the only thing you need to find is part.
Part.
So when you refer this pyramid, you should know that we need to multiply both this whole number and also the percentage. Okay, so percentage is given, whole number also is given. But as I said just now, we cannot simply multiply this both, because percentage we still need to convert to the decimal. As I said, move 2 decimal places to your left is 0.25. So when you multiply with the whole number 300, you should get 75. Okay, 75 is what? What is that? What is 75, Daniel?
Part.
Part. Very good. So if you want to double check with the whole, as I said earlier, here, part must be smaller than your whole. Here, 75 is smaller than your whole. Whole is 300. Yes, whole number is 300, so part is 75. Very good. Okay, who else? Okay, this one is different. No more whole number, no more percentage here. You have to find the percentage. Usually questions will be given like this. What is the percentage of 300 is 30. So percentage is not given. We don't know what is the value of percentage, but the whole number is given, part also is given. How to find the percentage? Okay, who can explain to teacher? Except Chayangi and Daniel. The rest, who can explain to teacher? Who can explain to teacher? Very easy, just refer the pyramid and explain to teacher. I just want to know whether you all really can understand or not.
Teacher,
Yes,
300 is whole.
yes,
30 is part.
okay.
So 0.1 is percent.
How? How did you get 0.1?
Have to divide.
Which one need to divide which one to get which
30,
one?
30 divide 300
Why?
because they have to divide.
Hello. Because you need to find the value of
The value of the percentage.
percentage. Very good. Okay, here. If you want to find the value of percentage, since part is given, which is 30, and the whole is given, which is 300. So if you want to find the value of percentage, please don't mind which one is the smaller number, which one is the bigger number. If the question asked about the percentage, part, even though part is smaller than the whole, okay, and then let's say in the questions I won't be giving these tips all, which one is whole number, which one is the part. Both are numbers. You should automatically know that Smaller one is the smaller number is the
Part.
the big number is the bigger one is the whole number, correct? Okay, so
Whole.
you have to find the percentage. Since percentage, the formula is what? Make sure you write the formula before get the answer. Understand? Okay, so percentage, as you said just now, Adish, part. Even though part is the smaller number, you have to write part in front because part divide whole. Part divide the whole number. Whole number is 300, correct? Correct.
Yes,
So,
teacher.
30 divide 300 is equals to what?
0.1.
0.1. Okay, but why I convert this 0.1 into 10? Because what?
It must be a percentage.
Very good, because the question is asked in percentage. So you have to convert to the percentage. How 0.1 can become a 10? How? I have to move.
The decimal point.
Okay, how many decimal points I have moved?
1.
Hello. What one? Okay, again we go back to the decimal to percentage. How many decimal point you need to move? Read back the explanation. How many decimal points you have to move? Class, how many? 2. Yes, you have to move 2 decimal points to your right. That's a must, huh? 2, only 2. Decimal to percentage also move to the right 2. Percentage to decimals move to your left 2 decimal places. This is a compulsory. No more other options. So you have to move 2 decimal places to your right, so it becomes 10 percentage. Have to write percentage since the question is asked in percentage. Understand or not? Who still don't understand, I can repeat how many times you want me to explain. Also can. Who still don't understand? Adishwara, do you know? Did you get it now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so who still don't understand? Herman, can you understand?
Yes, teacher.
So I can hear Hassan's voice. Okay, Fiona, can you understand?
I just can understand a little bit.
Okay, which one you don't understand? You say understand little bit. Which part you don't understand?
This one, teacher.
This one
Yes.
means you don't understand the whole picture or what?
I don't understand the 13, the
Okay, 30 y teacher divide with 300 means, okay, the question is asked you to find the value of percentage, right? So you have to refer back the pyramid. Pyramid is important. Okay, since percentage, you don't know the value of the percentage. You only know the value of whole number. You only know the value of part number, correct? So the formula is what? Part divide part
whole.
divide whole. Very good. Part how many?
Part is 50. 13.
13 or 30?
30.
30. Very good. Divide with the whole number. Whole number how many?
300.
300. So 30 divide 300 is equals to 0.1. But the question is asked the percentage. So you have to convert this decimal number into the percentage, which means you have to move 2 decimal places to your right to get the answer in percentage. Understand or not, Fiona?
Uh,
Little bit, never mind. I'll upload more worksheets. try to do the worksheets. Don't know, please contact me. You can, never mind, after the class also the video is still here. I will be uploading the video link in Edmodo also. You can watch the video again. Now understand or not, Fiona? So far understand or not? Or still hard to understand? Okay. Okay, Fiona, it's okay. I let you try now. This is the new questions. How to find? You
Teacher,
have
is
to
it
explain
find-
to me.
Teacher, is it find the part first, is it?
No. Read the question. What the question asked.
What is... Teacher, that is co-denomination, is it?
Hmm?
What,
What is percentage? What is percentage?
what percent... The teacher, this one is it I don't know.
Percentage. Percentage.
Percentage of 100 is 50.
Mm. Yes. The whole is
The
given.
part divide whole.
Very good. What is the value for part?
50.
Okay. What is the value for whole?
100.
Okay. Why you said part divide with whole?
$50.
Why? Teacher asking,
Huh?
why you said part must divide with the whole number? Why?
Just now you said part divide whole is correct.
I know it's correct. I want you to explain to me lah. You must tell that if we want to find the value of percentage, the formula is part divide the whole. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now you said what? Okay, tell lah. Part is 50. You dividing with the whole number 100. Okay, 50 divide 100 is equals to what?
Wait, teacher.
Hmm. Because you should get the answer in decimal.
Teacher, oh my god.
Hmm?
Teacher, is it 20?
No, 50 divide 100.
Oh my god.
Use your calculator, Fiona. 50
Two?
divide.
2, teacher.
Hmm?
2.
2? No, 50 divide 100, not 100 divide 50.
Ah, you.
It's okay, try.
Teacher, you say 100 divide 50 or 50 divide 100?
What did I write here? 50 divide 100.
0.5.
Yes, correct, Luisa, but let her answer.
Teacher, it's not 2, teacher.
Hi, Fiona, you confusing me also. No, 50 divide 100. If 100 divide 50, yes, the answer is 2. But how about 50 divide 100? You should get the answer in decimal.
Teacher, but I count is 2. The answer.
What? Fiona. Okay. 50 divide 100 is equals to 0.5. Understand or not? Okay, so the answer is in decimal. It's not the final answer. So how to convert the decimal into percentage, Fiona? I already give you the answer, you know. 50 divide 100 is equals to
0.5. You write the answer.
class. Sorry, it's my mistake. I wrongly pressed the airplane mode. Okay. Can see the screen, right? Can you see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Fiona, now you got the answer 0.5. How did you convert this decimal to percentage? How are you going to convert the decimal to percentage? We have learned yesterday and then just now also I have repeat. Very easy. What? Decimals to percentage. How to convert?
Is it in front got how many zero, then want to move backward? Is it move backward to how many is it?
No? Okay, I'll show you the slides here. Decimals to percentage. Okay, how? What you need to do if you want to converting a decimals to percentage? What do you need to do, Fiona? Converting move your decimal point 2 places to the right, correct?
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
come back to here. 0.5 is your decimal. So how you going to convert this decimal into percentage? What we need to do?
Move, is it move two time?
2 decimal places to your right or to your left?
Right.
Right. So if you move 2 decimal places to your right, what is your answer?
$50.
50. Very good, Fiona. Understand or not? So hard, huh? Okay, the last one. Who wants to try? Same. 20 part is given, whole number is given. Who wants to try? Jingza? Jingza?
Yes, teacher.
Please try. Just explain lah. Part is already given, whole also given, so you need to find the value of percentage. What is the formula? How to convert again? Jingza. $20 is what, Jingza?
20 in part.
Parts. Whole number is what?
Whole number is 100.
Huh?
Whole number is 100.
Okay, 100. So what you need to find out now? You need to find the percentage. Very good. Okay, what is the formula to find the value of percentage?
20 divide 100.
Oi, I want the formula first. What divide what?
20 divide 100.
Part divide whole, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What is the value of part? What is the value of part, Jingza?
20.
20. Then divide the whole number. What is the value of whole number?
Then we say
Hmm?
part divide whole
Yes. Whole number is what?
100.
100. Okay, very good. Now 20 divide 100 is equals to?
20.
Right. 20 divide 100 is equals to what?
0.2.
0.2. So answer is in decimal number. So how to convert the decimal number into percentage?
Move
Move what?
move the okay. Move the
Move the
2 to the move
move the 2 to
2
the what? To the next
to the
room.
to the in front.
Oi, what moving? Teacher said, okay, see again. Decimal number, if you want to convert to the percentage, you just move the decimal point only. No need to take any number. Understand? You just move the decimal point to your right. Means 2 places to the right. Okay, so again, so what you need to move now? You need to move the 2 or you need to move the point, decimal point.
Decimal point.
Okay, yes. So you need to move the decimal points. How many places?
1.
Jingze, 1 or 2, Jingze?
2.
2. You have to move 2 decimal places to your right. So the answer in percentage is?
20.
Yes, the answer in percentage is 20. Understand, huh? Okay, so the last one I think you can try to do by yourself. 30 percentage. Okay, this one, 30 percentage of 90. So if the question is asked, okay, thank you, Jingza, just now. Okay, this one, if the 30 percentage, don't get confused. The number 1 is the question. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 30 percentage of 90. So this means 90 is the whole number. So 30 percentage of the 90 means you have to find the value of what you need to find. What you need to find? Class? Am I talking to my screen? Percentage is given, the whole number also is given. So you need to find the value of
Part.
part, correct? So what we need to
Yes.
do? If you want to find the value of part, as I said earlier, this percentage, please convert to the decimal, multiply with the whole number to get the value of part. And same goes to here. Percentage is given, whole number also is given. You have to find the value of part. Understand? And this one, you have to find the value of percentage since whole number is given and then the part also is given. Same goes to all. Try to read this one. This one is not the worksheet lah. This one is just for practice. Try to practice yourself. Okay. So I will ask the answers on your next class, Monday. Understand or not? I will upload this video. Yes, I will upload this video in Edmodo. Wei-Feng can stop sharing, stop recording now. Okay,